Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ina and today I want to share with you this evening summer makeup look. So if you like it and if you're interested in how to get the same look, please keep on watching. So I'm just gonna get started. I already applied the foundation, so I'll start from the most difficult part. It's eyes. I have a mood to do makeup with black shadows. I will apply a palette from Maybelline, but you can use any black shadows. And also I will use a brush from this palette. As a first step, I will apply it all over my lid and blend it out towards to my brows. I'm just zooming in. This brush very comfortable for applying shadows for the eyelid, but to blend it out shadows, it's better to use a more soft brush. And it's very important to blend it out towards the end of the brows, and it helps us to make cat eyes look. And also I apply some shadows under the eye. And then we should take another clear fluffy brush and blend our shadows very well. So now I will do another eye and I'll back right away. So I'm back, this part is done, and actually I like how it looks already. So you can add only some mascara to finish up the eyes, but today I will do even darker makeup, and for this I will apply a black pencil and I will apply my upper and lower lash lines. So now you can see the difference between this and these eyes. And for inner corners I want to add some highlighter. And now I will use black mascara. So now our eyes are done, and now it's time for brows. For this I will use brown shadows. For not to darken brows, I'm just do a few strokes for each brow. And I fix up my brows with transparent brow gel. And I almost forget to say that this makeup in cold tones. So for brows, also try to use cold colors. So now brows also done, and for this makeup I think contouring also will suit very well. So I'll do it, and for this I, as always, will use just shadows and my favorite palette from e.l.f. I usually mix these two colors, so I'll add it, of course, to my cheekbones. Also for my forehead. And I forgot to lighten some zones of my face with concealer, but it's not too late, so I'll do it now. And I will blend it with beauty blender. and in zones that I'm afraid to spoil something, I will use my fingers. And also I'll add some blushes from e.l.f. in a warm color, and I'll be using the same brush. And also I want to add highlighter. And also I will add some highlighter under my brows. So we are almost done, and all we're gonna left is lips. So first I will apply a lipstick in berry color, but I will apply it in very thin layer. For this I will apply another brush. And on top I'll just add a transparent lip gloss. So I think this lips color very suits for this makeup, and that's it. As always, thank you for watching this to the end, and see you next time. Bye!